Hello, so today we'll be finding out what the flexible budget variance for materials is. The Noodle Incorporated planned to use materials of $9 per unit, but actually used materials of $15 per unit and planned to make 1,530 units, but actually made 1,770 units. Now, in order to find out what the flexible budget variance is for materials, we will first need to know the formula. So the formula for flexible budget variance is Now it's going to be flexible budget variance equals flexible budget minus actual budget. Now, in order to figure out what our flexible budget, it is going to be the units of actual multiply by the budgeted cost. And an actual budget is going to be the number of actual units multiply by the actual cost. Now let's try to figure out what our flexible budget variance is. Okay, so for our flexible budget, the number of units actually used was 1,770. Multiply by the budgeted cost, which is $9. And then subtracted by our actual budget, which is the units of the actual units multiplied by the actual cost. So our actual units is the same, which is 1,770 multiplied by our actual cost, which is $15. Okay, so 1,770 multiplied by 9 is going to be 15,390. Minus our actual budget, and then this is going to equal to 27,360. And then once we calculate this, we're going to be able to find out our flexible budget variance. So 15,390 minus by 27,360 is going to equal to 11,970. So now we're just going to have to figure out if it's favorable or unfavorable. So as you guys can see, our actual budget is greater than our flexible budget, which is going to make it unfavorable. So that's how you find out our flexible budget variance for materials. All you need to do is find the flexible budget minus by the actual budget, and you get our flexible budget variance. Thank you.